Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy biryani at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including onions, tomatoes, and your choice of protein. Marinate your chicken or vegetables with yogurt and a blend of aromatic spices for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Remember to soak 2 cups of basmati rice for about 20 minutes. This helps achieve that perfect fluffy texture. Now, let's start building that incredible gravy. Begin by sautéing your thinly sliced onions until they achieve a beautiful golden brown and caramelized finish. Next, add a spoonful of ginger garlic paste and a few green chilies, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes and a rich blend of biryani spices, letting it simmer until the oil separates. The layering process is key to a truly authentic biryani. Carefully spread a layer of your partially cooked basmati rice over the rich, prepared gravy in a heavy-bottomed pot. Then, add a second layer of gravy, along with some crispy fried onions and fresh mint leaves for extra aroma. Cover the pot tightly and cook on a very low heat for about 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Once your biryani has rested, gently fluff it with a fork to mix the layers. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a bright finish. Serve this hot, aromatic gravy biryani with a side of cooling raita or a crisp, simple salad. It's truly a dish that impresses. And hey, for other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.